cold a little bit. Okay, so we should start now. Today's topic is shifting of Samsung mobile display factory from China to India.
Yeah.
The UP government has recently
So yeah.
announced that now the uh, Samsung mobile display company is going to be shifted in Noida from China, and it's going to invest around 5,000 crores. It's not a small
Yeah.
amount.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
And
It's
around 521 people will immediately get the job, as well
yeah.
as government will give them lots of exemptions, some tax waiver, and lots of facilities. And they are going to make such a platform so that India will also be counted in top three in the world. It will become the world's third unit, this facility. And probably in the future, if Samsung is coming here in India, Samsung is not a small company in electronics sector. Other companies will also be encouraged to invest in India. Why? Because whenever we talk about companies investment in India, so their first preference is China because of its technical background in electronics and easily available workers and its transportation facilities, electricity facilities 24 hours and some other advancements in electronics sector. So they don't come to India because of politicians as well. And in India, because on each and every 5 years, almost government changes, and government is mainly not stable. What happens if you will pray to government? Then only it will serve you. If the government will change, so it will kick you off out of India. In China, their government is stable and supportive. There is no corruption at all. That's why they are developing so. Tiwari sir, sorry, I'm not praising China, but I think we should also improve so that other tech giants can come to India easily. Because our Prime Minister went, he visited country to country and requested to the many companies to visit in India. He was saying that India is having 5,000 years old, great culture, our art, our textiles, our designs, our each and every clothing, each and every style, stories, they are uncomparable. They are unique in the world. And our youth is too much, collaborating. It's too much stuck. It's illiterate now. Our youth is too much technically supportive. And even in all over the world, Indian youth is nowadays spreading. Even in NASA also there are many Indians working, many Indian scientists. In foreign countries, many Indian doctors are working. But when it comes to India, so for India, no one wants to work at all. Now this incentive will help India to grow. And in electronics sector, actually, I belong to electronics sector, so we mainly also believe that all the electronic students must know the computer programming, either they're interested or not interested. Even I also have learned many computer programmings and I have to join only software jobs. Perhaps I am interested in electronics, core electronics, but in India there is no facility at all for electronics sector. And it's our compulsion that we have to adopt only computer jobs. Now, it's just a small incentive of UP government. But if Samsung is coming to India, so obviously many companies will also be encouraged. And if government will be supportive, if it will provide them tax concession, definitely they will approach to India. And obviously nowadays our youth is too much intelligent. So they should come to visit and they will really enjoy a much growth in India, we hope. Coming to Uday sir.
Yeah. Yeah. It's actually the Samsung company already started in 2018 itself. Like it has a Samsung Display Noida Private Limited.
Right.
So in the past, yeah, it has the company. So Samsung started this plan in 2000 ending of 2019, but at that time the investment is only 1,500 crores. As in the March, due to this pandemic, in the March it decided to increase the 1,500 crore in nearly 5,000 more precisely. I think it's 4,825 crores. So Korea, see, now the core manufacturing is not the aim to come to Noida. So the very raw manufacturing, like from the basic parts, it is done mostly in Korea. Like right from making the basic materials, it is done in Korea, and previously the assembly is done in China and Vietnam. So China is so Samsung is thinking to completely shift the display unit of the entire company, uh, because 70% of the uh, displays, like when it comes to the displays, people, uh, it's not only just the phone displays, like we have displays of the screens for television, and displays of the screens of watches, like smart watches and all. So there are many things. So nearly 70% of the world's screens are manufactured by the Samsung company, and there are few advantages. Uh, so India is providing. See, there are two schemes. One is specs and PLI. When it comes to specs, like scheme for promotion of manufacturing electronic components and semiconductors. So it promotes, like there are some taxes which are exempted. So, and there is also the PLI scheme, like production linked incentives. So the company gets some incentives for setting up the manufacturing unit, and yes, it will benefit, like some of the benefits, like employment is going to raise, foreign direct investment, like that's not a small amount, nearly 4,825 crores. And yes,
Okay.
uh,
Sir, you
most
have
of
given
the
all the
engineers
history
are.
and backgrounds and future perceptions. It's really very nice. Yeah, please continue.
Yeah.
Encouraging.
So most of the engineers are only looking at, it's there, but in India, most of the people look for the software jobs. So electronics is like core. It's one of the core subjects, like so triple E people and ECE people. So they have, uh, most of the people do the subjects, but uh, some of them only join the core jobs, because we don't find such uh, like huge
Platform. So there's a
industry.
platform, and it's our
Yes,
compulsion to
yes,
join software jobs.
yes, yeah. So I think in the future it's going to change, because uh, by this industrialization and whatever the changes is happening, there is a huge demand for the technology, and yes, it's definitely going to improve the like electronic industries. So yes, it's definitely a good thing. Uh, yeah,
Yes, sir.
that's it.
Yes, sir. Hello, Gautam, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why do you think your future is in danger?
No,
No.
no, 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 no. My future is not there.
Okay, no, I'm just joking. So, do you
Okay,
know
okay.
about the topic? Do you know about the topic?
Yeah, Samsung mobile company decide to come
Yes,
back
a
from
mobile
China
display company. Yes, sir.
for display only. Okay, 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 okay.
So your work will be so easy because now if a mobile screen or display will be made in India, and obviously our government is going to provide such a facilities that
Oh,
India will also be counted in top 3 countries in the
oh,
world.
okay, okay, okay.
This unit is quite large, around
Okay.
5,000 crore in yes investment. How do
Uh,
you see this?
yeah, definitely this is a nice one. Lot of people get a job opportunity from Indian, and moreover, no, a lot of engineers never going to foreign country, or because of this, most of the Indian people are getting a chance to work within our own nation. Unfortunately, companies are foreign, but anyhow, our peoples never went home to another one. But there is one drawback also there. If all company migrate into India now, there is no what means we didn't have a chance to earn lot of dollar. So dollar also one of the most important. According to that point, one drawback, but remaining things everything is it's a nice way. As per my mind, lot of people are getting a job opportunity, and moreover, lot of things are going to be happening good, as well as a lot of investment also going to be happening in India because of this. Lot of not only Samsung company, with the help of Samsung, lot of child companies, small level companies are will get lot of job opportunity as like job order opportunity. So this is a nice one. I
Right,
think
sir.
thousands of people is getting a job opportunity because of the directly
But
or
now only
indirectly. To
500 will
altogether,
get.
yeah, altogether, thousand more than 1,000 people is getting job opportunity because of this.
Okay, Yugal sir. Tiwari ji.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yes, sir. I think it is a good step and it is a good sign for India. And I think Indian government should try to provide such facility and environment so that most of the foreign country can establish their manufacturing unit, and it will be very beneficial for our nation because we are a developing country and we have a large number of youth, and nowadays we are also facing a lot of problem of unemployment. So it is our need. And how is it possible? I think government should try to amendment their bills and provide lands and try to make such rules they can so that they can survive here. Like they can revive and survive their companies here. And in my opinion, I think corruption and politics is the main hurdle of our development, especially in industrialization. And if we can remove that problem, so definitely we will get a lot of chance. And it will be good if foreign country will come here because youth will get a lot of job, and the Indian people known as a talented person. They have a good talent, and they are showing their talent not only in India but also across the world. And you can also see the CEO of Google. He is from India, and there are many CEOs, and they are working in foreign, and they are doing well, and they are benefiting a lot to those companies. So if they will work here, so definitely we will get and a lot of chance, and we will improve a lot. So finally, I want to say that there are a lot of areas where government should try to take a good step, and that is automobile sector, and then electronic sector, and there are many. So we can easily compete with the China, and yeah, we can also enhance our economy. We can grow our economy like China. Yeah, that is my point. So
Yes, sir. Hello.
yes, yes, sir. Yeah, that is
Yeah,
my
you
point.
can. Okay. Nikhil sir.
Yes, sir.
Sorry for coming late. Now it's your turn.
Yes, sir. Before I start, Yugal sir, I wish you and you all people a happy Vijay Divas. Kishore sir. Kishore sir is here or gone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. Same to you, sir. Same to you. Thank you.
Yeah. So you celebrate Vijay Divas?
No, sir. No, not here. It's because I am, yeah, in forward
Is it
location.
Kargil Vijay Divas?
Yes. Because today is 16 December.
Yes, Kargil Vijay Divas.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
But I think it was also celebrated earlier. I think 1 month ago around.
No, fight. I think the starting time.
Okay. It was starting time.
Yeah. Today is Vijay Divas.
Okay, nice. Please say, ask to Yugal sir, why did he not celebrate?
Maybe
Actually,
means every army center celebrate.
actually, sir, where I'm living, there is not enough resources, and that is the reason, sir. Yeah, we celebrate. Actually we celebrate, but not
Yeah,
grand level.
can celebrate. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir.
We remember those fighters up to 2 minutes. Yeah, the reason, sir.
Hello, what is the problem? Why all people are silent? Hello,
Yes, sir, I also don't know.
okay, let it be. Go ahead. Nikhil sir,
Hello, Nikhil sir, where are you?
Yes, sir.
why
What
all
happened?
people
We
are
give
silent?
2 minutes. Yes, sir. We give 2 minutes silence for our soldiers.
Why?
Those are
For
sacrificed for us. Yes, sir. So I return to
yeah,
our
what?
topic. Sir, hello. Yes, sir. Yes, Gautam sir.
Yeah, what happened to soldiers? Why you gave the 2 minutes silent? Why you give the
Sir,
respect?
because before some year ago, Kargil War. In
Yeah.
Kargil,
Yeah,
in Kargil
around
War,
2000.
our many soldiers from every state, every place
Mm, mm.
sacrificed their life for
Okay,
us.
okay.
So today we celebrate Vijay Divas
Oh, okay.
because today India victory on Pakistan
Oh,
terrorists and Pakistan soldiers.
okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So I return to our topic. Sir, you say new company in Samsung new company in Noida. Okay. So in Noida is a hub of industry. When I see in Noida, it's developed very well because new airport also here. Airport name is Jewar Airport. Okay, sir.
Mm.
And it's very big airport and new master road also. And very too much development here. And I think new film city also in Noida. Still also a film city I see, and new film city also make in Noida because every mostly news channel or news studio in means national news studio or international news studio also in Noida still. And sir, due to this Samsung company, because Samsung is a very top class phone company after Apple. So due to this step, our Indian market also represent because before it Apple also came in India. Now Samsung also develop a very big means very big plant. So it's provide job also provide, because when we say in India out of five, two or three students are engineer, and mostly electronic engineer also help. Sagar sir, this is helpful for electric or electronic engineer.
Yeah,
Yes, it's
definitely.
helpful for both, but
Yes,
mainly
sir.
for electronic engineers.
Mainly only electric engineer.
Not only electric, mechanical engineer also going to help
Yes,
us.
and CS also, computer science engineer also help.
Sir, basically, if you're talking about circuit designing, so it's mainly helpful for electronics because nowadays every circuit is in electronics.
Oh,
Yes, sir. Only
so,
transistors and other things we have to compact.
oh, so yes, sir. So this is very helpful for us.
Right.
Yeah.
Himanshu, sir. Himanshu, sir.
Hello, good evening, everybody.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Himanshu, sir, what do you think that price will be lowered or Samsung will still be costly?
Yeah, it will be costly, but I think when in India manufactured, then maybe price it is very good for us because many more companies come in India for his manufacturing unit. So it is very big opportunity for Indian youth to get the job. But I think government promoted his Swadeshi, but we are also think about in Indian product, like as Micromax is a growing company for India. Its phone better, but he tries give better service.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but India is a developing country going to develop, so it is very important to many uh, multinational company comes in India and give a bit better service for the youth. It is very important for us, and I happy for this. Okay, thank you. I have no more words because I am not read about this. Okay, thank you.
It's okay, it's
Yeah.
okay. Yes,
So,
Sudhar, sir.
Sagar, you asked about the price. So the price, right? So
Yes,
Hello.
yes.
Samsung follows two strategies. The first one is called as skimming, price skimming, and second one is competitive skimming, competitive pricing. So whenever skimming means, like, initially, if the cost of the product is 10 rupees, they keep it like 15, 16, 17 rupees. So at initial level, so as they have a good market share, people tends to buy even if the price is higher. And after few years, like 1 or 2 years, uh, when the demand decreases, so they follow competitive pricing, which is like average of the competitors. So after the demand is reduced, they lower the price, which is so they will have huge profits at the initial stage. So I just wanted to say that they follow price skimming and competitive pricing. That's it, sir.
Yes, sir. I forgot that you are doing MBA as well. Yes. Chaitanya told me that he
Hello.
is preparing for UPSC. Yes. Brahmananda, sir. Actually, Nikhil sir is raising his
Yes.
hand. Nikhil sir, ask a question.
Yes, sir. I am asked to a question to Uttam sir. Uday sir.
Yeah.
Hello.
Okay.
Yeah. Uday sir, you tell means a very good manner our statics, but it's very helpful when you show a means showing your screen also, so we understand very well.
Yeah. Hello.
Yes, sir. Sir, you virtually
Yes, Uday.
showing, so it's very helpful for us
Uday
because
sir,
you
please
take.
search on internet what you have to represent. What you have to present something. Nikhil sir is asking to present in a graphical way or in a smart way so that we can understand. If our yes, based on your screen. Meanwhile, Brahmananda sir.
Hello, yes, sir.
Yes, please give your.
Okay, this is a really good initiative we are taken from. This is what taken from the UP government, also from the what India government side. And as you know, this is a really good opportunity for India. Then we know we have the what opposition also, isn't it? The I think the opposition will be the great what drawback for this what this project because the Noida the Noida government is going to give them the what incentive. The amount is I think 460 crores, isn't it, sir? So this is not a small amount, and somehow the opposition could raise their hand with this what with this project by say of why the government is going to give that much of initiative to the a particular company. And one more thing that sir, we all people are just talking about when any company will come, will be get more job, isn't it? So
Mm.
I think sir, this is not about the more job only. We know we'll be get lots of job, but just think about that area, that particular area. What will be happen with that area? That area automatically that area will be grow up. By that, indirectly, lots of thousand of the people will be get some income sources from that side. So yes, when any company, any project is going to build up, this is every time we just talking about the money, how to that particular project will be give us the money, that particular what project will be give us the benefit. We're not talking about the surround. What will be what grown up with that surround? I think yes, because it is not a small project. That project is going to be a global hub on that particular area. So it is really fantastic for the India. And one more thing is that sir, now the recent time China is doing what wrong thing. What there is lots of conflict with the China and India. With that time, there is lots of big companies. Those are the GM company that detest the what China. I think this is a good news for everyone. If they are also not coming to our India, if they are going either and thither also, we have to celebrate that, isn't it? Because somehow our what China now China is our enemy, isn't it? Because intentionally they are doing the wrong thing with India. So if any companies are detest from the China, if they are coming, if they are going or if they are coming to our India or not, I think this is a good news for India. Thank you.
Right, sir. Now, Uday sir. Hello,
Yes.
Uday sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. So, did you get that? How to
Yeah.
represent your screen?
So so let me share the screen. Right.
Right, sir.
Hmm. China.
Can you see my screen?
No, no, no.
Sir, share your screen
No?
from sir near to call disconnect button. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now. Yeah.
Yeah. So can you see this
Yeah, yeah, we can able to see that graph.
yeah. So whenever it comes, I don't know how to point so you see that at the top.
Yeah,
So there is a point.
ଯିବଟି
okay.
କାମ ଅଛି କେଉଁ
Yeah.
Sir, everybody
Just
mute
one
there, sir.
second.
Only you, Uday sir. Unmute.
Yeah. Just one second. I don't have a pointer to point out, so it will be very good if I point and so what happens is generally Geo. Let me explain this for you. So at starting, can anybody respond to me? Hello.
Yeah, I can a little bit market level. I'm in a marketing,
Yes.
so I know what is the real time market.
So what happened when the Geo was launched? How was the price? Like
Actually, we cannot able to compare with Jio and mobile because Jio is a common brand. It will going to held in market so long here. But according to the mobile, there is no model never going to held in the market as a long year. Brand is always held in market. For example, Samsung is since 10 years ago held in market, but not in the same brand. So according to my point, there is no going to big thing happen on the price level. Price as well as what is in the regular situation, the same thing only happen in future market also.
yes this is my point also I think there is nothing what that much of big
nothing.
impact will be affect. There is no what that much of effect will be come to
Price level.
the price
Price
because
level.
they have
Because
a
same model never
certain
going to hold
price.
it long year.
Yeah, they have the
Yeah.
MRP because of that. In
Yeah, but
every
you
product,
express your view. Yeah. Uday sir, express your
Yeah.
view.
Uday sir, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm just trying to explain the strategy of Samsung. So it follows the skimming, which means hiring the prices
Okay.
because it already has the market share. People will buy because of its brand, and so it has decades long history, so quality and all. So it generally keeps more price than the normal price, so it gets a lot of profits. And then after 1 or 2 years, the becomes normal. Like every other company will have the same technology. When the demand decreases, it lowers the price. Like we have $5. Can you see on the screen $5? Yeah, it's then when it is $5, the manufacturing cost will be like 4 or 3. Sometimes, it will be like 3. And whenever the demand decreases, it will go back to 4 or 3. So that the margin is little reduced. So I don't have a pointer to point out. So yeah, I hope you understand. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I
Yes.
can understand. I can imagine that visual in my mind.
Yeah, and one more pricing strategy, which is like penetration. So I'm just explaining that what does penetration means. Like the word penetration means going through. See, whenever this follows while launching new companies, like they don't have enough people to recognize. So what they do is they give lower than. For example, consider that, so if the average cost is $3, they give it at $2 or $1. So it will be loss for the company initially, but what happens eventually as they gain the market, as the number of consumers increases, they then higher the prices. So the example of Jio. So initially we got free, but the company was into losses at initial phase. But what it's happening now, it's getting huge profits. So that is called price penetration. That's it, sir.
Right. So means in future, the price of Samsung will also be decreased, but
Never
at
going
that
to
time
decrease
demand
in
will also be
Samsung.
decreased. But there will be no such a demand in future.
Yeah,
Because
according to the mobile,
others
never
might
price
use
will
this
decrease.
Hmm. Okay, thank you. And I think we should give conclusion now. Is anyone remaining? If anyone is still remaining, so please give your opinion.
Actually, my opinion,
Your opinion?
is there anyone remaining?
No, you are.
Actually, not. Lot of countries are giving sanction on China. That's why lot of companies are lot of most important companies are get back from China because without this sanction, this never happened. This is also nice way. Because of the sanction only, those companies are looking the opportunity on second level as like a developing country as like India or whatever it is. So really, this is nice thing. What the Manander say, I'm also agree that not only company level, that area also going to development. Definitely, Noida is already developed city. I think lot of top 10 countries are held up in Noida, as like Patni. These companies are located in Noida only, as well as yeah, same thing. Going to on all over India, as like Bangalore, Coimbatore, Chennai. Definitely, the same thing will happen on future in entire India. Because of that, lot of small level companies are getting a job opportunity from this high level company, and lot of local peoples are getting job opportunity. So definitely, this is going to help for Indian. According to price level, there is no changes on nothing. This is my point.
Yeah, Gautam sir, you ever visit Noida?
Noida, no. 10 years back, I visited Noida.
Okay,
When I
okay.
tried to interview on Patni company, on the time I visited Noida.
Okay, sir. Because
That's why he's taking
Noida
care
is
of company.
neighbor district to me,
Oh, okay.
and I study in Noida.
Oh, sure. That's a nice city. Lot of developed
Really, sir?
countries. Yeah.
Yes, sir, really.
Hello?
Okay, but I thought that you were still staying in
Yeah,
Faridabad.
Faridabad in Haryana, and after river of Yamuna, Noida start means UP.
Mm-hmm. Okay,
Yeah,
now we
and
have
Delhi in
Tanmay
between.
also
Delhi
with
in
us.
between.
Hello, Tanmay sir.
Yeah, yes.
Why did you not join?
Yeah, because I have taken breakfast.
I know,
Where is
I
your friend
know.
Ajay?
Breakfast.
Hello?
Breakfast.
Uh,
Okay, so
breakfast.
please break fast your breakfast.
Sir, he live in America.
Who? Once again.
No,
Okay. Tanmay.
uh-huh.
Fastly break your breakfast and give your opinion, and after
No,
then we
no,
will move to
over.
over.
Oh,
Just
Over.
now I receive call.
okay.
Okay,
Dahi
kindly give your opinion. I think you are already
kachori was
aware about the
special
topic.
dish. Hello? Dahi kachori was special dish.
No, sorry,
Oh,
don't care about your taste. Please give your opinion about Samsung shifting.
Samsung in UP Noida.
Hmm.
Yeah, that's a golden opportunity for India. because many youths have done engineering in CS IT sector have now lost their job in lockdown. So I think, but
Okay.
uh, one point is also there from the point of view of nature also. There will be e-waste also there from the company. So government have to take that sector
This is
also,
not an
that management.
this is not a chemical company. Yes, obviously there will be
Yeah,
radiations. There will be radiation.
that's why I said e-waste, electronic waste.
Sorry.
Every
Please.
company has
Okay.
e-waste.
Including sort of US,
Every
am I
company
right?
waste. There are demerits also
Yeah.
of anything.
Hmm.
Okay,
Yeah.
Doctor Sahab. Doctor always check about, patient.
Hey, government have to consider this point also. I think by the kind of nature, with minimum cutting of trees also,
Hmm.
because the area required for this plan are huge. It's not
Right.
for
Apart from
so
Ajit Doval, there must
yeah,
be one doctor also
and and
to tell about the patient
and
problems.
they have to do consideration the lands where no crops are grown, or there are no trees, and such place will be selected. I think so.
Mm-hmm.
So that no nature loss also and more profit, and that's a very good thing for India.
Do you think that there is any nature in Noida? There are only buildings.
No, I
No,
don't
no,
know, but
no. When new company set up, so it's required. Means in some area they grow tree and some area they grow garden. It's required.
yeah,
Okay,
And
okay.
it's a first
mostly countries they grow. They
without the
focus on
NGO.
tree or outside the road.
Yeah, without that certification, you can't even government can't also build any construction without that certification of building a. They have to make contract of that they will build. Now, if any highway are going to make, first you have to targeted number of trees are to be planted. Then after you can allow to cut the trees.
Okay.
But problem is that no one care. They are only planted the plant, but no one grows it. No one wait until it grow, and the result, because no one there to take care of that plant. So indirectly nature harass.
Yes.
I'm with positive attitude, but these are also point to be considered.
No,
But
when
a
you
doctor
grow,
finds.
hello, yeah, Tanmay sir says right, but when I see highway of Noida in the too much tree and not small tree, big tree in Agra
Yeah,
Expressway or
yeah,
Yamuna
yeah.
Expressway, big
Hmm.
highway in and too much tree in both sides
Yeah.
and beautiful. And MCF or care also.
Hmm.
Yeah,
And such and
road authority also care. So it's look
and
very beautiful. Road is
yeah,
very beautiful. Lighting is very beautiful. When we say that, when we see the tree, so too much beautiful.
yeah.
Yeah.
And for such tree to grow, it require hundreds or 80 years.
Yes, yes. They
Yeah, for
serve
such a
80
strong.
years. Yes, yes.
Yeah, and if you
Ah,
take care, then and only.
This is a very big highway, so they control pollution control also.
Yeah. I hope everything will get considered, and then it will be a very good for India for job sector. Now, besiding
Okay, okay, doctor.
environment first, it's a very important that getting jobs to the needy people is first preference over environment.
Right. Of course.
Yeah.
Okay, so we should come to conclusion now. We should wind up. And starting from Tiwari sir. Yugal Kishore sir. Hello, Yugal sir.
110 आहेत ते जर जास्ती पडले तर जवळचे टाक
Hello, Yugal sir. Are you here? Hello, Tiwari ji. Okay, Brahmananda sir. Hello, Brahmananda sir. Hmm?
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Actually,
Audible.
without unmuting my call, I am talking with the hello, hello. I am just pronouncing hello, hello.
Okay, sir. Please continue.
Notes, whether this is going to development for us or development for our country or not. This in this project, China is getting defeated. This is, I think, this is a big news for us, and also this is a big achievement for India, as everyone has been said. It will be give a lots of employment, and it will be create lots of job and a good economy for
Sir,
the India, I
after
think.
an exercise,
Yes, sir.
you are feeling suffocation.
Oh, yeah.
Hello, Ramananda sir.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Were you doing hard work like
Hello.
running? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, please
Hello.
continue.
Actually, went from my office because of that.
Okay, sir, please complete.
Am I audible to you, sir?
Yes, you are audible. Please continue.
Yes, I have done already, sir.
You have done?
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I have done already. Actually, I went for my office because of that only I am wrapping up.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I done.
Himanshu sir. Hello, Himanshu sir. Hello, Himanshu. Where are you? Yes, please.
Hello.
I think Himanshu sir in market because last day also he is market.
This times all the
No,
shops are closed. I went to a friend.
no.
Yes, Himanshu sir, please.
I am in my village, in my house.
Okay, you are at your home, and I know all the shops are closed. Okay, please give conclusion.
Hello.
Yes, sir, you are audible. Please conclude.
I have no more word for conclusion, and thank you. Please, you are carry on.
Anything? Okay.
Himanshu sir, you give one line. It's good or not good? Means bad.
No, it's a very good and a big opportunity for Indian youth.
And you are happy from this
I am
decision. Your
I am
state government decision. Yeah.
Yeah, I am very happy for this because in my state, but one thing, not only Noida, it is in Prayagraj is very better, but uh, company also seeing his uh, his particular area, developed
Yeah,
area.
one reason I tell because Delhi also near, big international airport also near, big highway also near, and NCR means just like Gurgaon, Faridabad, Ghaziabad, Sonipat, Bagpat, Rohtak, this big city also here. So when they need anything, so they take, and lots of employee also, worker also. Because Delhi NCR population is 6 crore, around 6 crore.
Maybe in near Delhi, so the Noida is born a big city, I
Yes,
think. Yeah.
So
Sir,
in all, it's top. I mean, Lucknow is after Noida on development.
yeah. At that time, I am going to Lucknow for pursuing BTech, so I'm saying this is developing. It's a very good
Okay, sir. Now,
for Indian youth, and I am very happy for this. Okay, thank you.
thank you, sir. Gautam sir, hello, Gautam sir.
Yes, Yes, Sagar, yes, Sagar.
Please conclude.
Actually, mine concluded, yeah, really, this is a nice way for the Indian job keeper. Apart from that, there is nothing special. Apart from that, there is nothing special on it. Because already a lot of countries are gave sanctions against on China. That's why a lot of companies get back from their country. But compared to China, sorry, compared to India, China is a really hard worker people. Uh, so without these sanctions, never all those companies take this kind of decision. So actually, this is a really good opportunity for second level developed countries as like India, Malaysia, Singapore, and Sri Lankan. So because of this instruction, the second level companies are getting this kind of job opportunity. Uh, not only education people, even laymen also getting a job opportunity because of the scheme. So this is a really nice thing. And moreover, what this Tanmay say, some more people, Uday Kumar. So everyone, our government also to consider about these 2 points also really important because our nature also we have to save our nature. So that's also most important. I think our government already consider about these 3 points. After that, only taking this kind of decision. So because Noida not only a normal city, already well developed city, as like Bangalore. So I think a lot of business environment are already held up in Noida. That's why foreign companies are looking the space in Noida. Otherwise, there is nothing. Okay, this is my conclude. Yeah, this is a really nice one for the Indian job.
Thank you, sir. Now, Uday, sir.
Yes, sir. So as I already said, the Samsung Display Noida Private. So it's established in 2018 itself. So now it is trying to completely, yeah. So if there is some exports from Uttar Pradesh, so in the last fiscal year, uh, the company contributed nearly $2.7 billion from UP. And the data projection says in the next 5 years, it's going to be $50 billion. So just imagine it's like 2.7 billion to 50 billion. It's nearly 20 times more. So it definitely has a very good impact. Yeah, so that's it, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. You explain each and everything in a marketing way. I wish you will become a great marketer. Okay, and Nikhil, sir.
Yes, sir. Uday sir, you download app, whiteboard app, or other app.
Whiteboard.
Because sir, you give a very important information to us, and when you means when you showing every graph also, so it's very helpful for us.
Okay, I'll try it.
Yes, sir. Try from now.
Whiteboard.
Yeah. And my conclusion is this step is very good for our country. And Gautam sir say Chinese people also a hard worker. Sir, Chinese people are hard worker. I agree. Japanese also, but they are not free. They have not free or free. They not have fully freedom. And Indian people have a fully freedom. So that's why sometimes they not do hard work. But India is a one country in the world where when we see in villages, children cry for joining Indian army. And Chinese is a country where people cry to not join an army, but the government forcefully join. Government say you join force means mandatory to join Chinese army. So this is a difference between India and China. When one boy try from 2 year running and physical or they take coaching also, and when they go for a physical exam and not selected because too much competition in our in Indian Bharti. So they cry because they say, my dream to serve India. And when we say Korea, China, and that type of country where people cry, but they have mandate to give service for few years in their army. That's why. And when we have fully freedom, so that's why sometimes our people are not hardworking or hard not means that difference. Okay, sir.
Right, sir. Means, and this is the competition not only due to serving the nation, it's due to not getting the job. There
Yeah.
is no job, no the government job. That's why they are running behind getting the, Indian army. This is the real
Yeah,
thing. This is
that
the
is
hard real.
yeah. Yes, sir. This is a relevant. And one more funny question asked by the Nikhil sir. I have to, what do
Brahmanand
you
sir,
think,
your
sir?
voice is not clear. Brahmanand
Yes,
sir,
yes, sir.
please
Is it
disconnect
clear,
the phone
sir?
and rejoin.
No, sir. Actually, now I'm on the way because of that only it is getting fluctuate. Is it clear now?
Yeah, it's a little bit clear. Please speak.
Yes, yes. As Nikhil sir said, ask that time, sir, what do you think? This will be good for our India or not? I want to give a sweet and funny answer to this question. Like whenever you have some food, that time you
This is
could. Hello?
very good decision for our India. Yeah.
Yes, sir. No, sir. I want to give you an example. Whenever you have some food, that time you could segregate. This is good food and this is bad food, isn't it? But which time you are so hungry, you have empty stomach, like our India. That time, if you are making a pan token also, you can say, and you are giving some people to some employment, that is also good for our India. Are you understand my point, sir? So, this is
I
a
am not understand because your voice is sometime comes, sometime not.
related. Actually, I am on the road, so maybe. Okay, sir, good
Okay, sir.
night.
Sagar sir, you understand what Brahmanand sir say?
Little bit.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Not completely.
Okay, let me, sir. I am on the way, on the road. Let it be.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, no issues.
Okay,
Okay,
sir. Okay,
Tanmay.
Yes, sir.
sir.
Thank you.
Tanmay. Still eating?
Hello. No,
Yes, sir.
no. My mic is unmute. Okay, I
Yes,
mute my
now.
mic because of unmuted.
No. Your mic
So
was
to
mute. Now you
okay,
unmuted. Okay.
yeah, okay.
Please continue.
I think this is a huge or best step towards Atmanirbhar Bharat. that and I think such companies are come to India and helps to build our economy, which are struggling now, and helps to increase rupiah in case of dollar. If but one thing is also important that rupees price should be increases in terms of dollars and euro. Only on that we have benefit of such companies coming in India, not having such only at that rupee at the cost of 70 for $1 70 rupee. We have not such profit that we are uh, accepting, but rupees should increase, I think so, and it's a very nice thing. And Apple companies are also going to invest in India, and I am happy with that. We are now towards the boycotting China. That and I think we have teach a great lesson to China that they are using our money to uh, create create what to say create violence against
De-employment.
India. Create violence against India.
Who's on the
On,
yeah.
yeah, they are taking our benefits by we are using their mobiles, and from that profit or from that our money they are creating violence against India itself by taking help of Pakistan. So this thing will be minimized and rupiah should be increased, I hope, after that. And then and only then our India become Atmanirbhar and one of the greatest nation among five. I hope we overtake all other other countries like USA in future. Hope for the best.
Okay.
Thank you.
We hope and we
Hope
will
for the
align. You
best.
will see.
Yeah, hope for the best
Right.
and the best step toward Atmanirbhar. And
Well, this is
I
the
thought
really
just
big initiative to become self-reliant
yeah,
and
self-reliant.
obviously. Hmm.
Yeah,
And why Israel? There is Microsoft in Japan. In Japan, it suffers with much earthquakes, but its a technology or its a, infrastructure is fully adopted in that environment.
yeah.
It just
And
again restructures it.
one more happiness is that we are getting investing companies are mainly automobiles and electronics that are have huge demand in
This
whole
is the
country now.
future. This is
This
the
is the big,
future.
yeah, this is the future towards India. And India, if you and Indian people have one policy that if you give chance to Indian people, they just let it.
Yeah,
Hmm.
definitely.
And yeah, Indian people will let it. And I hope after India, Samsung will be the topmost, and all Chinese brand get close, and they will
Right.
get fear of India. And
Then only
now
they
they
will
will
have
get
fear about
they
India.
and now they know the
Because
power of India.
why they don't have any fear?
Up
Because they
to
know that this is our compulsion that we will be only depending on the China.
Yeah,
They
up to
know.
now, what happens? What the things that happening are? India have many talents, but India are not getting chance, not chance.
Because
They
there
are
is no platform.
to show their talent. They have to go for American now, but we have not to go in other country. We have to get itself, and now Indians are getting their talent. If such companies are come along,
And the main concern is that when they move towards America, they become American. They are
yeah, they are not
will
Indian.
no
Now
more Indian.
I am happy with that. Indians young talent got their chance to express or to
And I
express their
think
knowledge.
we should not be so happy only due to one company. We need to
Yeah.
still develop
After
many areas in India.
after
Many
seeing that companies profit, I think other
companies
companies are also run towards India.
they will be stressed, but they need
Yeah.
a much developed area. Like Nikhil sir told about Noida, that it's a like developed city, but it's only one city developed. Even our youth approaches towards Bengaluru, Delhi,
One
Mumbai to get a job in not any other cities. And I think
no
government take
such company.
incentive to develop many other cities like that, like Noida.
Uh,
So many companies will automatically be attracted towards the infrastructure. Because
yeah, and
what a company need? Company need a good platform to develop itself. If we are giving them, then obviously they will come here.
yeah, your point is right.
Right.
Your doubt is right, Sagar sir. But India is a country where you can get raw material in plenty, and there are no volcanoes and any other problems like Japan. That are many. They have lost their many infrastructure due to volcanic eruption or many other things.
Still, their
So
economy is almost twice than us.
yeah, but in the foreign companies get losses, but in India such things are not happen.
Hmm. That's why I'm
Yeah,
saying that
raw
if
material.
India
Yeah,
creates
Yeah,
and
and
definitely. This is a
provide them,
difference because when we see in China, in
yeah,
means backward area of China have a big company,
yeah.
big organization in backward area.
And one population is benefit of India. Every company tries to invest in India. That's three things that connect indirectly wants to connect other countries. If they have choice or not, they have to invest in India because they have no left option. Because India has population, land, and raw material, and youth talent
Hmm.
also.
Hmm. Okay, sir. And I think we should now finish. All have left already.
Yes, sir. This is not mandatory to join. It's your means
Choice.
it's depend on you. You want to
Yeah,
left, you want to join, whatever you
yeah.
want, when you
India
want.
have greatest freedom in whole world. You can use freedom anywhere.
Right. No, but we
Yeah,
have
Lokshahi,
already finished our
Lokshahi,
duty.
Lok, Lokshahi,
Hmm.
yeah.
Okay, but I
Log
think
size.
that's all for
Yeah.
today.
Lokshahi. We have a Lokshahi.
But I think that's all for today. And conclusion is only that India needs to still make many developments, many infrastructural developments, so that companies can utilize those platforms and they can be attracted towards India rather than attracting towards China, because China is already having that much capability to attract the companies. And I think so that's all for today. Is it?
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Sagar sir, for calling me one more time. I was just busy. Thank you.